While everyone speculates about Arrow 3, Serbia has already signed confirmed deals that most people aren't paying attention to. In November 2024, Serbia signed a contract with Israeli weapons producer Elbit Systems for $335 million to acquire artillery systems and drones. Then in August 2025, they signed another $1.6 billion deal with Elbit. That's $2 billion in Israeli weapons in 9 months. The systems include Pulse rocket artillery and Hermes 900 reconnaissance drones. Pulse, precise and universal launching system. It fires Predator Hawk missiles with a 300-kilometer range and 10-meter precision. From Belgrade, that reaches Zagreb. Pristina, most of Bosnia, with accuracy that hits within the size of a small house. But here's what makes this terrifying.